All right, so we're going to solve and here under 30 seconds then. Okay, so here we have for the numbers, we have 15 and 4. So let's go multiply that one. 15 times 4, that's going to be 60. And we have done negative 23 then. So that's going to give us an answer of negative 20 and 3 then. Okay, so let's write it down then. Here we have now as 15h squared minus 20h minus 3h plus 4 then. Okay, so let's try to regroup that one. That's going to give us with the answer of 3. Oh, yeah, this one's going to be 5h, 3h minus 4. The other would be 1. Looking out that one then here. 1 and 3h minus 4. Okay, so let's combine it out then. So that's going to be about 5h minus 1. Yeah, minus 1. And the other would be 3h minus 4 then. Okay, so that is how we get the answer then.